Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a brand new Google Workspace account. This is ideal for businesses, freelancers, or anyone who wants to use professional tools like Gmail with a custom domain. Let's jump right into it. Open your browser and visit https://workspace.google.com. This is the official site where you'll begin the sign-up process. On the homepage, click the Get Started button. This will begin the setup wizard that walks you through the account creation process. You'll be asked to provide your business name, number of employees, and your country. Then click Next to proceed. Google will ask for your full name and current email address for contact and recovery purposes. Fill in the fields and continue. You'll be asked if you already own a domain. You can use an existing domain or buy a new domain directly through Google. If you don't have one, Google makes it easy to purchase and set it up on the spot. Now, you'll create your admin username and set a secure password. This will be your primary login for managing Workspace. Read through Google's terms, privacy policy, and product agreement. Then check the boxes to confirm and proceed. To activate Google Workspace, you must prove that you own your domain. Google provides verification instructions specific to your domain host. This usually involves adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings or uploading an HTML file to your website. Google will walk you through this based on your domain provider. Choose your plan and enter payment details. Google often offers a 14-day free trial, so you can try before you commit. Once everything is verified, you'll be directed to the Google Admin Console. From here, you can add more users, enable apps like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, manage security settings, and customize branding. You've now successfully created your Google Workspace account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tech tutorials.